For this week's Take It, Make It craft, we are going to make a fall puzzle leaf tree. If you picked up a kit from the library, in your kit you will have the instructions, an assortment of puzzle pieces, a piece of blue paper, and a piece of brown paper. The extra supplies that you're going to need are scissors, glue. You can use either a glue stick or a bottle of liquid glue, and then markers. I recommend using markers in fall leaf colors, so colors like red, orange, yellow, greens, and browns would be perfect for this. So let's get started making this. The first thing we need to do is to make the tree. As you may be able to see, to make the trunk, we are going to trace our hand and our forearm. So what you're going to want to do is put your hand on the paper like this, making sure that you're able to get enough of a trunk in there as well. And I would say spread your fingers out really wide to make some nice branches. Like that, and then we're going to cut it out. All right, so here's my hand and my forearm. Then we have our background. We're going to glue it to the paper like this. All right, so now we have the base of our tree all ready to go. Now is the fun part. Like I said, in your packet, you're going to have a lot of different puzzle pieces. Now, some of them are going to have greens and yellows and trees on it. If you want to use those pieces as they are, that's fine, go ahead. Otherwise, turn the pieces over so that you're using the back, and you're going to color the back with your markers. You're going to go ahead and color the leaves. And what I do is I just kind of scribble a little bit of color randomly on each piece. And fill it in. One of the things I love about fall is that the leaves are so colorful. Sometimes you can even see all of the colors on one leaf, and that is so cool. So you can feel free to make your leaves all one color, or you can put multiple colors on each one, however you want to do it. Okay, so now that all of the pieces are colored, it's time to put them on your tree. The nice thing about fall is that the leaves are all over and some of them start to fall down. So you can put your leaves anywhere up in the branches, you can put them on the ground, you can even put them anywhere so it looks like they're blowing all around. You can use a regular glue stick for this, or you could use liquid glue. They both work. It doesn't really matter one way or the other. And you can just put them on however you want. I did find in my my bag of puzzle pieces, there were some that were already green, so I'm just gonna leave that the way it is and put it on there. And there was a really cool orange color in my puzzle pieces, so I'm putting that one on there as well, like that. I didn't color that one. So you can feel free to look at the puzzle pieces that you get and decide if you want to leave them the way they are or if you want to color them. And just fill in the tree and the branches. We'll put some on the ground. Maybe someone raked up the leaves and made a pile to jump in. think that looks good. So there you have it, a fall tree using puzzle pieces as leaves. I hope you enjoyed this craft this week. Have a great week.